US crude has taken a hit yesterday and has moved towards 74 levels with President Trump's speech and the call for the OPEC to reduce the oil prices. With that, oil has taken a sharp hit here, while net gas is also dropped sharp with the inventory data release. So, what to expect today from oil and gas? Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we expect a further drop here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership share on YouTube to support that. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. Oil on the hourly charts has moved towards 74, 73.8, the next support zone. If you connect the dots here, you will find that this is the lows and this is, and it is creating a nice bearish channel here, but it is also finding a support. See, a reversal sign is seen. The candle failed to close below this sign, which means 74.2 is the only level below which now we will recommend you to sell here. Now, what is happening after the rise? It is now delivering higher lows and waiting for a move towards 74.8, 75 zone. This should be the next target zone here. And remember, now on the upside, it is very, very important for oil to trade above 76. That is the only level above which you should treat this as. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought levels, while the MACD hitting the lows here, trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is also trying to show a little up move here. Look at the 2-hour charts. What's happening on the 2-hour charts? It is forming a recovery or a reversal, but I will say still do not treat this as a complete reversal. This is trying to retrace. Once it trades beyond 75 is where you can see slight bullishness, but it is very, very important for now for oil to trade above 76. That is the only level above which you can treat this as, else it is trying to retrace. And now this is possible that staying above 74.6, you can expect it to move towards 75. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising from the oversold levels. The MACD hitting the lows, trying to converge crossover. This can lead to a reversal. The RSI rising here. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Only thing is where the current candle closes and possibility is there that we may see slight retracement here. But as I said, see, every move is drop is followed with a little retracement, and that is how oil is being trading here. It has consolidated here enough here before taking this hit and now trying to recover a bit. Now connect the dots, connect the lows and the highs, you will find that oil is trading in this zone, and now 76 is the barrier it needs to break in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD is still trading bearish, and RSI flat at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Every drop followed with a little retracement, and see the crossover here is very, very important. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish. Now 76 is the crucial level which it needs to break in order to confirm reversal. Remember, it is forming a nice bearish channel here, and it has to come out of this channel either on the upside or on the downside in order to confirm a breakout here. Stochastic oversold, the MACD is still trading bearish. Remember, it has done enough move here, and I think it is very near to the bottom. Let's see how far it can stretch the drop. The RSI is flat near to the bottom. Coming to the day. Now see, this is very, very important. Yesterday, what has happened? It has failed to stay above 76, and I have mentioned yesterday as well, it is important for it to stay above 76. That is the only level for you to initiate a buy. But as soon as it slumped below the 20 period moving average, we have seen a move towards the next support zone. Now see, this was the point where oil has consolidated before giving this rally, and it is again back to the same zone. Now this zone is very, very critical towards 74, 72.5, and as long as oil respects this, the chances of a recovery and a rise exist is strong. Now only thing is whether to treat this as a reversal or a retracement. That is the query. If it stays below 72.5, you can say certainly the bears are taking charge over it. Now why it is reversing? First of all, it is consolidated enough here on the daily charts before giving this breakout. And see, first rise then retracement, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Now if you connect the dots here, if you connect this, you will find it has a potential to move towards this zone, which means it is the potential to move towards 72.5, 72 zone in the near future. The stochastic here is back to oversold. Look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, and I have shared this yesterday as well. Rise, retracement, rise, and it is now looking downwards, which is not a good sign for the bulls, because see, it has lot much of a scope on the downside available. The RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 74.6 levels, expected to move towards 75. 75 is the first milestone which it needs to break, then 75.35, 75.5 levels, and then towards 75.8, 76. These are the levels which are going to play a major role today. Any move beyond 76 is a clear sign of reversal where you can expect a stronger rally ahead of that. On the downside, I will say I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 74. Below 74.2, you can expect it to move towards 73.8 first target, 73.3 the second, and then 72.6, 72.8 should appear the third, the strongest one. Any drop below this is a clear sign of crash in making towards 72. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural. Now see what net gas just did yesterday. It has breached past the 3.6, the critical level here, and now has taken a sharp hit with the inventory data release. And after the drop, after retracing, it is now again trading bearish. Now it is very important for net gas to trade above 3.54, 3.55 zone. Only and only if you see it is staying above 3.5455, you can say that bulls are ready to take the charge here, and we can see a move above 3.6. Else right now it is trying to trade with moderate bearishness. Also, if you connect the dots here, you can still see that net gas is trading in this moderate bullish channel with a higher low. So now let it stay beyond 3.5455 in order to confirm the bullishness. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD right now trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has seen a good dip on the 2 hour charts. When you look at on the 2 hour, see similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Then now the resistance from the 2050 period is very strong. So even if you see it is staying above 3.52, you can buy for 3.5455, and if it stays above 3.5455, we can expect it to move towards 3.6. Now 3.6 is the crucial milestone which it needs to break. Also notice on the charts here, it is trying to create a slightly bullish channel here, and thus as long as now on the downside 3.45 is not taken, we should not be staying with the bearishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over again, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat here. Coming to the 3 hour, similar is the observation here on the 3 hour charts. Lower highs are seen, resistance from the 20 period moving average. So once it stays beyond 3.52, we can expect a move towards 3.5455, and beyond that it may turn bullish. But right now it is not showing any such bullish sign. See, the moving averages are also trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 4, similar is the observation here on the 4 hour chart. See, after making a flat top, it is now trying to reverse, trying to retrace. But yes, 3.48, 3.45 is the zone which you should watch out for, because 3.45 previously is also seen as a stronger support. This is the third time it is attempted, and I will wait for it to stay below 3.45. That is the only level below which you can say that the bears are taking over. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green. It is still willing forward to a little rise, but I can see it converging. A crossover here can mean a little reversal. The RSI has dropped. Coming to the now, look at daily charts. What has happened? See, higher highs are seen here, and yesterday's candle was a swing candle. See, now it is showing a swing, one bullish candle, a swing. So possibility is there that it can deliver a reversal candle. Possibility is there, but not if it breaks below 3.45, because below that 3.4, 3.38. Now notice what has happened here in natural gas. I've been sharing this. It is still not to be treated bearish. Look at the move here, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. 50 period moving average, a greater support here, which means still 3.4, 3.38. You should not be treating this as bearish, and only bearishness is below 3.4, 3.38. Stochastic is rising, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. This is not a good sign here for the bulls. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy 3.52, expect 3.5455 as the first, 3.58, 3.6 as the second. Any move beyond 3.6 is stay bullish. Possibility is high that 3.6, 4 and 3.7 levels to be seen. That should be the mark of a reversal here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.47 levels. Expect 3.45. Now see, this complete zone, rather I will say between 3.45 and 47, you should watch out for. Still do not treat this as bearish as long as 3.45 is not taken, or rather wait for it to drop below 3.45 in order to take a sell. But then 3.4, 3.38 is the zone. That is the most critical zone for the day. Any drop below that is the only sign of a crash in making towards 3.26, 3.2 levels, chances of which appears to be less as far as my opinion is concerned. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.